Ka lokidro ka bahetam hari Bhoi ka bala penlong da ka RBWF Barida unit Ryngkat ka jintrelang Divine Socials da ka jingtmu banyarap ikito ki badon kam jinarap ki bakirki ha ki jela chitilam ingi hi barok kawe ikila pen penapaj ba mentakasni ha khana para ya ka bala pen penapaj ba da uba Yonis Narlem advisor ka RBWF Barida unit Ryngkat ka jingadon ki we ki dikhot jongkate ka unit Haba phai shaki khusnam unong job baningkong uyo ya ka song pisa ka basan pholak ya ubawan ningkong bat nang ta but saki thamai ke kentuk ya ka we ka thar ka bolero ka Ertiga ka Nexon arteli ki Swift arteli ki Maruti Alto 800 lem shibun teli ki tuk Remdor bat ki scooty haba khen kelum ya barok ki khusnam leng ba kte ki lokidro kila poi shaka arpho teli lem bat kate ka khusnam da ka pisa basan pholak ya ubawan baningkong Habaya day berkata ke lokidro batla dadon mono ki bawan bantit iki tiket na ka benta ki jingtep bakhamnya kila ban phone hakini ki nombar khandai lai hendreu san not hendreu ar not lai bat khandai henyo not henyo lai henyo pra henyo lai ya ka jingpen khalai no sip en sapen long haka arp santarik ubanai banwan mentau snam
Federation Bajop units the lucky draw coupon 2025. I urge a big round of applause as we are inaugurating the lucky draw coupon 2025, whose first prize worth of 50 lakhs in cash. Arhaka, the 5th prize, Tata Nexon, 6th prize, Swift, 7th prize, also Swift, 8th prize, Alto, 9th prize, Alto, 10th prize, also Alto, 11th prize, Mahindra Trail, 12th prize, Royal Enfield Hunter 350, 13th prize, Yamaha R15 V4, 14th prize, Yamaha MT15 V2, 15th prize Royal Enfield Hunter 350, 16th prize Yamaha FZ25, 17th prize Bajaj Pulsar, 18th prize Bajaj Pulsar, 19th prize Yamaha Ray ZR125 and 20th prize Yamaha Fascino 125. You heard it right. These are the 20 exciting prizes that you can win if you are lucky enough to win the lucky draw coupon of 2025. And people of Meghalaya are looking forward for all of your active participation. Come and use your luck and let's see who is lucky enough. And if you are a traveler. But before we begin, I shall take a moment to introduce to all of you with the establishment of the whole organization, the Bhoi Youth Federation. Bhoi Youth Federation became apparent following a lengthy discussion between the former leaders and representatives of the District Demand Committee, well known as the Bhoi Dorbar. Eventually, on 6th September 1979, during a meeting at the residence of a local MLA, Bagdidi Lapang in Jairo, Shillong, a resolution was passed to separate and form a youth cell under the guidance and oversight of the parent organization Bhoi Dorbar, naming it the Bhoi Dorbar Youth Wing. After the formation of today's Bhoi Dorbar Youth Wing, the